In this video, I would like to explain how to represent a linear equation for a given problem and how to draw a graph for a given linear equation. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem is, when Rupa was born, her father was 25 years old. Form an equation and draw a graph for this data. From the graph, find the age of the father when Rupa is 25 years old. Rupa's age when her father is 40 years old. Let us go to the problem. When Rupa was born, her father was 25 years old. So here two persons are there, Rupa and her father. So let us take Rupa's age as X. Let her father's present age Y. So by given data, Rupa's father was 25 years old. Then Rupa. So by given data, Rupa's father age is 25 years older than her. So Rupa's age X plus 25. So Rupa's father age is 25 years older than Rupa. So this is the formation of linear equation for this given data. So take 2 points X, Y, X comma Y. Suppose Rupa's age as 5 years, then Rupa's father age will be 30 years. So 5 plus 25, 30. So X comma Y is 5 comma 30. And take as suppose 20 years. If Rupa's age is 20 years, then her father age will be 20 plus 25, that is 45. Take these 2 points to draw the graph. I prefer these points. You can take any 2 points. This is the graph. In this graph, there are 3 types of lines: dark lines and medium lines and thin lines. So in a dark lines only, take as x-axis and y-axis. In this given problem, age never be negative. So you take x-axis, y-axis as corners. Just leave 2 centimeters. This is 1 centimeter. Every square box has 1 centimeter square. So 1, 2. And from down, you leave 1, 2. Just leave 1 or 2 lines from the down. And take as x-axis on dark line. Draw neatly. Presentation is important. This is the x-axis. Take as x dash. and leave two lines from left side and draw y-axis. Take as y-axis y dash. In the problem, the difference between Rupa's and her father's age is 25 years. So take scale as every centimeter as 5 units on x-axis and same every centimeter as 5 units on the y-axis too. Take like this in equal distance, equal length. Zero, 5, 10. Take 1 centimeter as 5 units. So this is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. On x-axis, x represents Rupa's age. Write down like this. Rupa's age. And on y-axis also take 5 centimeters, 5 units on y-axis. Every centimeter has 5 units. By using these points 5, 30. So x on x-axis 5, y 30. So the common point is 5, 30 represents this point 5, 30. So keep light into mark and round it. And second point is 20, 45. So this is 20 and on y-axis 45. So this is the required point 20, 45. So this is 5, 30. This is 20, 45. Through these 2 points, draw a line. It represents linear equation. Linear equation always represents a straight line. So do carefully. From these 2 points only, draw a line. So this is the required linear equation line, that is y is equals to x plus 25. First question is the age of the father when Rupa is 25 years old. So first one answer is when Rupa is 25 years old, then her father's age is, let us go observe the graph and we have to find her father's age. When Rupa's age 25 years, where is the Rupa's age? This is the indicates, x-axis indicates Rupa's age. When Rupa's age is 25 years, so draw a perpendicular line to the given graph and take dotted lines. So when Rupas is 25 years old, and draw perpendicular line to this two y-axis from this point, take dotted lines. So by observing this, when Rupa is 25 years, her father age is 50 years. Her father age is 50 years. The second one is Rupa's age when her father age is 40 years old. By observing the graph only, we have to find the answer. Rupa's age when her father is 40 years old. So her father age is indicates y-axis. Her father age is 40 years. So draw a perpendicular line from to the at 40 years of her father age to the given equation y is equals to x plus 25. And again draw a perpendicular line to this
two x-axis
at this point. So this point indicates when Rupa's father is 40 years old, then Rupa's age will be 15 years. So this is 15, 40. So second question is answer is Rupa's age is 15 years when her father is 40 years old. Last, you take the scale on the graph. On x-axis, we take every centimeter as 5 units. So write that one on x-axis. 5 units. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to same 5 units. So this is the required graph for this problem. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.